The Local Water Utilities Administration or LUWA, ang number one function is to regulate our water districts. Currently, we have around 532 water districts. Kasama na po doon yung pag-adjust ng mga water rates nila. And also, we also provide funding for their projects like NRW, which is the non-revenue water, and further expansion. Actually, our number one reason is in our country, wala pong cost ang water. It's almost free. It's the distribution po yung nagkakaroon po tayo ng cost for our water. For an ordinary Filipino like all of us, we can conserve in our own humble way by saving water. Malaking bagay na po yun. And for us naman, mga regulator or our primary function is to make sure na wala pong tubig na sasayang po sa ating mga kababayan. I think one of the important projects na nagawa po natin is ang rainwater catchment system natin. We're very proud of that. It's very small in a way, but ang vision po kasi natin is bawat barangay po magkaroon po nito. And makakatulong po yan sa mga kababayan po natin. Kasi magkakaroon po sila ng water na free. And it's from the rain.